Welcome to Sellora tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to participate in a sale event on Sellora, step by step. But first, what are sale events? These are time-bound campaigns designed to boost your sales through coordinated discounts or special offers. Now let's see how to participate in a sale event on Sellora. Let's dive in. Go to seller.sellora.com in your browser. Log in using your registered email ID and password. After logging in, you will be redirected to your seller dashboard. On the top navigation bar, click on the Growth tab. From the drop-down, select Sellora Promotions. You will now see 3 promotional options. Click on Sale Events. A list of upcoming or ongoing events will be displayed. Click the Apply button next to the event you wish to join. Important: make sure to double-check the event duration and details. Here, add your product you wish to promote. You will see the actual product's price, discount percent, after discount. After adding product, click to add product to sell. You can now see the selected products, check your list, and click Submit. Thanks for watching. For more such video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.